Good morning, happy Fatwood Friday, everybody. Hope the week's good, done well, and family's good, and everybody is doing okay. Definitely bright and beautiful this morning. It's about 7 in the morning here, and let's get a good Fatwood Friday going. So we're going to be using the trusty old fire rod and Mora. And we got our Fatwood shavings here, a little tinder pile, a little bit of fuel. There we go. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying free, staying armed. Remember to, even if you don't want to become a membership of a gun organization, you can still sign those petitions and send those emails. So, until next Friday, I'll see you guys later.